They be saying 4C girls don't got curls. Talking about it's just kinks. No, boo-boo. There's curls in here, honey. There's curls in here, honey. Girl. Hey boss ladies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I just am so excited today because I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this blue hair. So if you like this hair and you want to see how I was able to achieve it, make sure you keep on watching. But you know what I'm going to need you to do? I'm gonna need you to click down below and subscribe to my channel to join the boss fam because you're a boss and you're watching this video. Okay, share it with your friends and stay tuned for more.
All right, here is the reveal. OMG, y'all, I need to take care of my hair. What am I doing? So I'm gonna just section my hair off. It's already in little twists, but I wanted to just put them in little ponytails so some hair could get out the way. And I'm gonna go through my hair and put on the blue twist by twist because I felt that was the easiest way to go about it. So I'm just wetting my hair a little bit just to get it damp. I don't want to wet my hair too much. I did see a lot of people with my hair texture do it dry, but I felt like it wouldn't look nice if I did it that way. So I'm putting a little bit of wet line gel in it as well, just to help my curls out a little bit, you know, help them pop some more. And I'm applying that in. So the texture of the hair in the back of my head is way more curly than it is kinky, and I don't even know what texture that is. Like, I have absolutely no clue. But here's me struggling to open this package. Oh, but I got it and I'm excited. Look at my face right now. The laugh I just did is the exact sound of the laugh. Probably. It is so bright and vibrant, and at this point I'm just like, I can't believe I'm really putting this blue stuff on my hair. I have never done an extreme color on my hair. I've colored my hair literally once before and it was like honey blonde for like 2 seconds. I'm hyped. At this point I'm like, there's no return now because I already started. So I'm like, we gonna get it done. Look at my face. Ooh, I'm like, I'm not sure about this anymore, but we gonna make it work. And I want to be sure to get my scalp as well because I want it all to like really look blue. I'm hyped. So I'm just gonna speed it up for y'all and keep on going. Add in some water, as I just did, adding some gel to each section, and I'm just gonna continue the same process. It's the same thing, so I'm just gonna let you guys, you know, watch and see. I might chime in a couple of times for some little points to say, but for the most part I'm just gonna be doing the same thing. And I'm doing a shingling method. It's basically the same method I would do if I was doing a wash and go, and I feel like this is really what made the curls look so poppin'. I'll definitely do a couple of close-ups so that y'all can really see it up close as well. At this point, I don't know, I was feeling a little nervous. I feel like I look concerned. Like, my facial expression is showing concern, but at the same time I like it. But my curls look so nice, and that's what I'm feeling. I wasn't sure if I was really feeling the color yet, but the curls was looking popping. All right, I'm halfway there. You know, it took me about an hour to apply. Actually, no, probably a little less than that. Maybe like 30 to 45 minutes about to apply it. And I think what helped was the fact that my hair was already in twists. So something that I just did that I want to mention is I wish I didn't put all of that blue on my scalp, like right there in the front. And I feel like it created like a very harsh color line at the front of my hair, and I ended up actually using a baby wipe to take it off, but I didn't do that on camera. So I just wanted to mention that real quick. Y'all, honestly, you gotta have a lot of arm strength to be a natural, because all of this reaching and stretching and detangling, my arms really be hurting. I just be thinking like, wow, I feel like I should have muscles from this. In itself is a workout. Here's another close-up because I just wanted to give y'all another close-up. It looks so good and it looks so blue. Like, I think that this is as vibrant as you going to like a colorist and they dyed your hair. I feel like in some areas it applied better than others, and right now I'm just trying to smooth it down into everything to really cover all of my strands. She's looking really good though. Ow, period. We love a blue queen, blue haired queen, okay? Yeah.
All right, ladies, so I'm done applying. So first of all, the color looks super duper bright. I want to get cute because I want to see how it would look if I, like, you know, did my edges, let it completely dry, because right now it's wet. And I do feel like I'm glad that I put the gel, because I feel like it allowed my curls to be even more defined. I'm gonna put a clip right here for you guys to see the curls, because they are super defined, like super defined. Okay, so since I want to do my makeup, I'm going to like pin my hair, like just put my hair back, just put it back like that for the time being. I'm gonna like try to wipe some of this off my forehead. And I'm gonna get cute. I'm gonna try to, hopefully it dries by the time I'm done, which I highly doubt because my hair takes kind of long to dry. So I believe you're not supposed to add heat, so I'm just gonna let it air dry. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get my face on, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final result. Yeah, I think I could flex with blue hair. Okay. Oh no. This is so cute. This is so cute. Comment down a blue heart if you think this is cute. Alright, let me get cute and I'll be back. Alright, boss ladies, so I am back with my blue hair, and honestly, I personally fuck with it. Like, I really like this. Like, I don't know, like, I think it's so different, but like, it came out so nice though. Like the curls is really popping, and I feel like once I did my face, the one thing I will say is I wish I didn't put it on my roots, because I feel like it would have been better if I had a better like dark to blue transition, because it just looks like I have a really harsh like color line right there. Like that doesn't look good, you know, like that doesn't look good to me. But overall the hair looks so good, and my curls, y'all, they be saying 4C girls don't got curls, talking about it's just kinks. No, boo boo, there's curls in here, honey. There's curls in here, honey. Girl, now one thing I don't like is that the color transfers onto everything. So also because it's not fully dry, but like I just picked my hair and I had to like wipe the pick off and get all of the blue off. See, so right here, that's annoying. The color has been, I had another top on, and when I took it off I saw that the color was on the top from when I took off my shirt, and that's annoying. But it is like, it comes off with water, so it's like not a big issue. Like once I put it in the laundry, shouldn't damage my clothes, shouldn't damage my hair. So I'm definitely gonna say Curls Unleashed, y'all did that, because this is so pigmented. I feel like most, honestly in my personal opinion, from the videos I have seen of curly girls with like 4C or just type 4 hair in general, I feel like they're like, I feel like it's never pigmented. Like I feel like it doesn't even look like the color. Like it just don't be slapping, it don't be hitting. So I was a little nervous about that, and I was a little like hoping that that wouldn't be the case for me, and that it would be really pigmented, and it is. So I'm excited about that. So I will definitely say like maybe that's props, big ups to Curls Unleashed. I'm gonna show you guys the package again. So that's how the packaging looks. This was an item that I actually got from Curl Fest, and I never used it. I'm a hot mess, y'all, but I was inspired because of the blue look that I did, and now I have blue hair and I absolutely love it. So thanks so much for watching, and let me know if you guys would like to see me try hair paint wax in some other colors. I'll definitely be open to trying some different ones out. I heard the red is pretty good, purple. Like I think it's so amazing because like black women, like we're just so versatile. Like I would have never expected blue hair to look good on me personally, and I feel like, wow, I think it looks good. I think it looks good on my skin. I'm gonna take some pictures and stuff and see how I feel about it after. But this was really great. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.